Hi, I'm also Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle, and up for sale I have one of my personal bikes here. I have a 1967 Yamaha U5E scooter. I spent quite a bit of time working on this one, and it's running really good. The injection pump is working, so you can just go up to the gas station, fill it up. I put new tires on it, got the brakes working good, and it's such a blast to ride. I kind of hate to sell it, but need to make some room for some other projects coming up. I'm not sure about the mileage, but it says 1800, so I'm thinking it actually might be actual because it rides really nice, and it has a lot of brand new parts on it. It has a brand new battery put in here. I could not get the original fuel valve to quit leaking, so I have this set up on here. This is a brand new genuine Yamaha air boot, and let's fire it up. I'll show you underneath too. Here's where you put the gas, and here's where you put the injection oil. So I was really happy to get that pump working. It's a lot easier than having to mix gas, and also if you just mix the gas on something that has a pump, it could dry the main bearings out, and that's no good. So usually the pumps feed the crank bearings. So it does have running lights. I think originally it had turn signals, but I do not have any turn signals for it. But it does have running lights, and it's a 3-speed automatic, and it even has passenger foot pegs if you want to take your buddy for a ride. Just put the gas on here, turn the key on, fire it right up. Take it for a ride. Heel toe shifter down, 3 gears all down, and back to bring it neutral. Shifts really nice, starts really easy. It is not a perfect bike though. There are some little things, like this bolt was broken off here for the choke, but you don't even have to use the choke to start it. I'm not sure what's going on here with the headlamp. I didn't mess with it because it was working. I did put a new taillight bulb too, and that's working as well. So these covers come off here, which is pretty cool. The coil sits under this one here. And the brake shoes look like they had plenty of life left in them. And went through a bunch of different spark plugs trying to get it tuned as good as I can. So not a perfect bike, but it's pretty nice. The seat's really nice. I believe that's the original seat. The exhaust pipe's not rotted out at all. It's really, really nice shape. I'm not sure if it's missing a little bit of the baffle because it's a little bit loud, but it does have a missing bolt here. I believe it's stripped out in there, and I did have to repair the throttle. The original assembly was kind of broken, so I got it to where it'll work, but you have to manually return it. But any other way, the slide would just stick open. So right now it works really good. You just have to manually return it. We talked earlier about this being busted here for the choke, but you don't need the choke to start it. And then there is a bolt down here. I had to helicoil coil here, and then it could use a new gasket here as well. Other than that, it's really solid, and it'll be a fun piece for somebody. And I do have a title for this as well in our company name, so it might be a good little pit bike for somebody. Go to the races, and then or go camping, put on the back of a camper or something like that. So blast to ride. They're not as common as they used to be, so I'm not sure where we're going to list it for sale yet. I'm thinking eBay, so keep an eye out for it. Thank you.